Okay, I reversed the cable pigtail, so the battery pack and the extra things here, extra plugs are on this end, but now my connector doesn't reach all the way into the box, so I have to build an adapter, because when I built the box, I chose to make my power connectors inside the box female, but on the engine design, the power on the battery boxes, the power connector is the male section of the connector, and I should have matched that on my inside the box, but I did not think to do that. So I have female power inside the connector box and male loads, and on the engines it's male power and female loads. So I'm gonna have to build a male jumper for inside the box to this adapter, because I did set it up to be male power to match the engines when I built it. And this regulator, of course, has a direction. Power comes in this side at 8 volts and gets regulated to 5 volts on this side. And we'll see, it's just a straight, simple one-chip regulator. Hopefully it will be able to deal with the engines, but for now I have to stop and build male pigtail before we can continue with this. So it'll be another stop to build some parts, and then maybe finally the engines will be able to power themselves using the generator box. But that will not be today, I guess, because I didn't double check all my wiring order.